Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you a typical hairstyle I would do on my toddler. I do her hair every week or every other week if I'm being lazy. She has a lot of hair and honestly it kind of stresses me out a little bit. But I just want to show you guys a simple hairstyle I like to do on her, and I hope to share them with you often. Let me know if you have any questions below. I will leave products that I've used in the description, and stay tuned for the final product.